So today, may dumating na customers at nagdala sila nito. I just want to show you this today. Here in Thailand, we call this kanom chang. It's similar to the tamales in the Philippines. Nakabalot din siya sa dahon ng saging, tapos may savory feeling siya sa loob, at saka hugis triangular din yung pagkaka-shape ng puto na yan. But although hindi pa ako nakatikim ng Philippine tamales, but I think it's very similar kasi yung feeling sa loob is also savory. So actually this is my favorite na kanom or yung kakanin dito sa Thailand. I really don't like sweet, but this one is something good. Very, 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 nakakapag-induce ng appetite. Okay, let's show it first. Hello, say hi, Hunter.
Hi.
Hunter?
Yes.
Okay, you will eat kanom chang today, okay? I think you're afraid to eat kanom chang. Okay, come on here, Hunter. You'll be the one to taste it first. Bailey, Mani.
Baby, come here.
Say hi, Bailey.
Hi.
Come on, show your face, Bailey Lynn. Okay, Hunter.
Oh.
Bailey will not appreciate eating this because may pagka-peppery yung taste niya. Yeah. So, Hunter, come on. Hunter, he can eat already spicy food, so, and actually he likes it a lot. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. How does it taste? Show your face, bro.
Is that curry?
Curry!
I don't know.
Okay. Hello, Yuki. Okay.
A little pepper. Not really spicy.
Makunat.
I like it.
Masarap. Mommy, what is the feeling inside this kanom chang?
Huh? White pepper.
Meron daw siya white pepper, may mga spices pa na iba. And then what is that actual meat in there? Is it twa?
Beans.
Beans. So it's yung nasa loob is beans, crushed beans or ground beans like that. Sarap. Looks like this. Malinis po yung kamay ko, ha. Yes, that's how we eat it here. Same as we eat tamales there in Philippines. Hey, ito na. Very greasy. Oily. Like it a lot. Unlike any other puto, it's not sweet. Okay, it's good for coffee.
You forgot to say cheers.
The customer also gave this. This is crispy pork floss. Dito sa Thailand, they give this as gifts. Kasi, to do this is very difficult. It's quite difficult. So, let's try. Okay, there. Meron siyang bawang, meron siyang, of course, yung crispy pork floss. Sa Philippines, parang wala nito. Sweet, salty, crispy, parang chicharon na laman ng manok ng baboy. To our customers, Pigeon and Nong Yu, Kapkun Mak. We are so blessed and so lucky, Pim and I, that our customers are all very, very good to us, very nice.